Here's how the electrical is ran. Remember, this was kind of a mistake that I had made that actually turned out really well for this build. Now I can run all the electrical wires through there. So we got our little, getting ready for our little input into the whole system. Also drilled out the back of this box. Wanted to give you guys an idea. So there's one point for the electrical system in the corner. Started putting on this, but I wanted to show you how the electricals actually ran. I forgot to mention in my previous videos that there will be solar coming in, so I did run some wiring for that. That's all going to be covered up with insulation, but I just wanted to kind of give you guys an idea of how the electrical is being ran on into each corner. As I mentioned before, every corner will have power, so power there, power here, and then I'll continue running it down there and have power in that corner. That's it, pretty basic. I can't put it all together yet. I have to get some lever nuts. So that's it for the electrical. Now I'm going to continue putting together all of the insulation. All right, so the entire base is insulated with the exception of the bottom. I'll get to that afterwards. Just wanted to show you guys how it looks with all of the insulation in. All the way around, front, sides. It's looking really nice. Let me show you the inside. All the wiring's in, insulation in these here, because that was also on the outside. Got the wiring in on this side. So now I will start on connecting the electrical and getting the outside sheathed, and that's pretty much it for the construction. It's going to start becoming finish work and then get that guy attached to here. Rough electrical is complete. Connects up in each corner. Comes out there. That's where the plugs will be. Runs around in the wall there. Comes up in the corner here. Solar wire as well. Down here. And what I can do is I can plug in my power bank here or here, but the plan is I'm going to try and keep it on this side, and then the plug on this side I can drop back into the other box, because I have some other ideas of what I'm going to do with that box. I'm not sure when I'm going to do it, but I want to make sure that I have power access over here to go into it. So both boxes will have power or be able to send power out. If you guys like what you're seeing, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, all right? Thanks. All right, the sheathing is complete. You can see, do a little quick walk around. So the plan will be to fiberglass these edges around here, and then these sides will be complete, and I can start the finish work. Now I just need to flip it over and insulate the bottom and put the sheathing on there. All right, so we got the bottom complete. Give you guys a good look at it. It's all sheathed, insulated on all sides. So the next plan will be to Fiberglass this seam right here, fiberglass along all the edges, and seal in here, and then I will put my finish coat on, and then this portion will be done, and I can flip it over and start working on this side that'll match up to the top of the FlipPac. The other thing that I'll need to do, but I can't, I'm trying to do this in sections, so this is where the door is going to be. So what I'm going to have to do is add that on once it's in the back of the truck. And but I don't want to do that yet because I'm not ready for that part yet. But that'll be added on. The door will be added on in here. So we won't come completely all the way to the edge with the finish yet. We'll do that once the door's on there. It'll all make sense in maybe a month, couple weeks. I'm not sure how quickly I'm going to be able to get to it because all this is going to require drying time. Have it flipped up on its side so you can get a good look of what it's starting to look like. Show you the side. It's starting to rain, so I just wanted to do a quickly show you this in the back here. Need to get it back in the garage. Also, forgot to mention I removed the bed liner that the previous owner had put on the top there. I got those hinges all cleaned up. I actually decided to paint them, put them up there temporarily. I'm going to pull them off when I repaint this thing. Before I pull it off, I wanted to kind of explain how the door is going to work. So I still needed to be able to use the shell without having this complete. So I designed it to, I can still shut this. Tailgate still shuts. It fits perfectly along the edge here. So if I wanted to just seal that up for now, that'll be fine. But the reason why I did it this way is afterwards the door is going to be built into here. So I have the perfect little channel that comes along here. So I'll be able to extend it out. So I'll be able to fit the door, probably go 1.5 inches here, then wrap it around here. So when the shell's on, I'll be able to start building the door right inside the shell. So that's kind of why I did it this way. It's a little bit backwards, but it's what I needed to do. It'll all work out in the end. And again, it'll all make sense once I start to put it together. This was just the best option. So once I have the shell, the FlipPac on here, I can actually just pull this out and then start working on the door, and it'll turn out to be real nice. Anyways, that's it for this week. Gonna work on getting those seams fiberglassed, probably get the base painted, kind of reveal what theme I'm gonna go with. So make sure you like, subscribe, share it with other people that are interested in stuff like this, and I appreciate you watching the video. Thank you.